Home Master Group presents How to Replace a Roof Boot. To do this, you will need the following materials: a roof boot, 16D nails, a tube of roof sealant, and 2x8x10 boards for your roof jacks. You will also need the following tools: a hammer, a utility knife with hook blade, a flat bar, a caulk gun, an extension ladder, and roof jacks if there's a steep pitch. If you are replacing a roof boot on a particularly steep roof, make sure to use roof jacks. To install roof jacks, gently slide your flat bar underneath the shingles to loosen them. Gently raise the shingle and slide the roof jack underneath and fasten with 16D nails. Be sure your nails are beneath the overlapping shingle so it will not leak when removed. For safety, it's always better to locate a rafter and install your roof jacks above it. Space the roof jacks no farther than 8 feet apart. Next, place your 2x8 onto your jacks and attach them with 16D nails through the jack face plates for safety. Repeat steps 1 through 4 until you reach the boot to be replaced. Now that you've reached the roof boot, it's time to replace it. First, gently slide your flat bar underneath the loosened shingles on top of the boot collar. Using your flat bar, remove the nails that are holding down the shingles. Next, remove the shingles on top of the boot collar. Using your flat bar, remove the nails from the boot. Next, slide the boot off of the vent pipe. Make sure to clean any old tar off the vent pipe. Slide the new boot onto the vent pipe. Make sure the new boot is straight and fasten it down with roof nails. Reattach the shingles to their original position. You may need to cut your shingles if the boot size is different. Seal the exposed nail heads at the bottom of the boot using a quality roof sealant. If you had installed roof jacks, you can now go through the process of taking them down. First, remove the nails from the faceplate of the jacks. Then, remove the 2x8 boards. To remove the roof jacks, gently tap them toward the roof's peak. Next, raise the shingle and drive in the 16D nails. Repeat steps 1 through 4 until all of the jacks are removed.